Alright guys, I'm back home in my favorite comfy cozy t-shirt. It doesn't mean anything, I just got it at Walmart. It is so holy. Do not judge this t-shirt. I just really like it. It's cozy. Got home, got all warm and stuff, so I've already added a little bit of seasoning salt, a little bit of pepper. I just kind of season the water. I haven't even told you guys what I'm doing. Okay, let's restart that. Hello, this is Lily's Outdoor Adventures. I just got back from crawdadding, so I'm going to show you guys really quick how I do a crawfish boil. That was hilarious. I'm keeping all that in. It is just too funny. I'm going to do a really, really tiny one because your girl caught 7 crawdads. It is what it is. It's the beginning of a new season. I didn't expect to catch a whole ton. And I was only out there for like 45 minutes or something. Take a bunch of Old Bay. You're going to take your Old Bay on here, on your tray that you're going to be eating them on. You season this really good. Some onion powder. I just do all kinds of seasonings. You want them to taste yummy. Some regular salt. Sure, why not? Alright, once we get this boiling, put a lid on it so it gets hot quicker. So I've got the crawfish in here. They're already rinsed off. Yeah. Not being very easy to deal with. Crawfish. I'm trying to make a thumbnail. I look silly. Alright. Crawfish. Only a few of them. Got some corn on the cob in the fridge that I got from my baby the other day. Alright. See if this corn is any good. It needs new. Yeah, this'll work. Add some taters to our water. Have my oven on 350 because I like to put my butter and seasonings on my pan. This was a potato that someone grew this year, I think. That's nasty too. There, potato. Potato. Now I need some butter. You know what, y'all? We need more butter. You already knew I was gonna say it. There, just like that. Put this in here. Well, that butter melt and seasonings get all ready for us. Hi, kitty. Come here. He's my buddy. You guys want to meet my new kitty? This is Zero. He's my new friend. He's the only one we kept out of the kittens. We found good homes for the other 4. So he was just too cool. He looked just like his mommy. And it's awesome because he loves me. Every time I open my door, my bedroom door, he runs under my bed and hides. Don't you? He's turning me into a cat person because he's a real sweet little guy. Yeah. Hi. Oh, you want to see? Here, put the steam off first. What's that? He's totally tripping out. Okay, got those taters in there. This is boiling, so we're going to put our corn in. Okay. Ooh. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing anymore. I moved it. Usually I purge them with some vinegar and salt and all this other stuff. But today, there's only 7. I'm just doing it easy and quick. Hey. You. Is that full? Oh, we got 2 for 1. Ah! Hey, you pinch me, I'm throwing you into the pot like that. Just saying. That's on you. Scary little suckers. This to another rolling boil. Nice little trick if you want something to get hot quicker. Put a lid on it. People tell me to put a lid on it all the time. I talk a lot. So I started a YouTube channel. Now I just get to bother all you guys. Alright, now we let this boil for maybe not even quite 13 minutes. It'll be like more like 10 minutes for the crawfish and the corn, but I can throw those on the pan. The potatoes finish up if they're not done yet. I don't know what I should call my kitchen. Grant's got, is it Coasty Kitchen? Is what he calls it when he cooks. Lily's Adventure Kitchen. They're so creepy looking when they start to like cook. Oh. His eyes are what I'm referring to. There I go, playing with my food again. We got the melted butter. First crawfish, we love to see like a geek. I miss you being like 3 and me doing that. You guys used to freak out. I do the evil crab monster and come and get you. I'd get in this, crazy stance. No, I'd get like this, and I'd have 2 things of tongs, and I'd go and come and attack you guys. Scary. It was awesome. All right, start putting all these little crawfish that are floating on my tray. Getting the corn on the cob. Yeah, it's juicy. Nope, not the taters. And I'm gonna eat it in bed. Because I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing one because we caught 7. I found him! I'm doing a video on how to make crawfish boil.
Oh!
It's my first one of the season, so I figured I might as well. These little taters are probably not done yet. Ooh! Ice cream! What she doesn't know is I'm stealing some later. At least a bite. These taters need forever, so you guys... Where I'm at. These things got like another 5 minutes. I messed up somewhere. But this is how you do your crawfish boil. Then you have this yummy butter to like rub your corn in and you eat it. And then you open up the claws. Here, I can at least demonstrate that. Okay. Take your crawfish, you rip your claw off. And then just like a crab, you take this little part off, rip it out. And you take your teeth. Not great for him, but it's alright. This one's a little softer. It's fine. Crack into that like you're doing a crab claw. Should have kept the end of it. It'll come out better. Okay, so you get a little piece of meat out. Now you rub that in that butter and seasoning that we melted. Holy crap. It's just so good. For the tail, you got the body left now and you got your tail. You twist opposite of each other. Throw that to the side. You can slurp it, which I've never done before. I don't know. I did a little bit. That scares me. My dad's probably cracking up right now watching this. Okay, so you twist this bottom part of the tail off and kind of wiggle it off like that. Now you're stuck with just a little bit of the shell. Now you'll also break that one in the middle and pull that off. Then there's two ways you can do this. So you wiggle this off. You can either leave it like this and just eat it. I am a weenie. You peel this back part off because it has that poop chute little thing in there. That's why I purge them, because usually that's clean, so you don't have to worry about that as much. But if you didn't purge them, I like to take that out because I don't want to eat that. Then you take this little part, put it in your butter, and eat it. So that's all there is to it. I'm going to sit here and wait for my potatoes to get done, put them on the tray, and then I'll just let it bake for another 5 minutes or so just to kind of incorporate everything. And I'm going to go eat this in bed. Alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. This was Lily's Outdoor Adventures. Please like, definitely subscribe. Subscribe. I want to get to 1,000 to get monetized. I need your guys' help. Thank you so much. If you enjoy watching these videos, check back next time and see what I got going. Alright, love you guys. Mwah! Bye!